might play the game.
No. There's no game to be played here today.
All right.
We're not playing any games, right? We're good. We're good.
And go around the bend. So you don't worry about that down there.
I got one of those laying around. If you catch the shark, he'll come back and cut your line.
How y'all doing?
That's a good sign.
What's that?
That he just hooked up.
Yeah. That's always a good sign.
Yeah,
It makes it seem like I'm gonna catch something.
Yeah. It's cool.
What's up, man?
doing, man?
Oh, I'm living that dream, dog. It's a AR-15, and it's this is actually classified as a pistol, not a rifle.
Oh, you can carry a pistol while you're hunting.
Well, you can carry any type of firearm because I got, oops, that one's hidden. We're gonna let that one hang out. But you can carry rifle, pistol, anything you want. Long as you're lawfully allowed to possess a firearm, you can carry a gun just like I'm carrying it right now. Yeah.
Have you been stopped by security yet?
No. I would love, they can come out and play. But yeah, no, it's completely legal. So as long as they understand the law, I'm okay with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How are you? Did you catch anything?
No. I've caught one mackerel, but...
One Mac? Yeah. Nice. That's all you can do, man. Just try to go out here and catch a fish.
Yeah.
End of the day. And then whenever you're old enough and you can lawfully possess a firearm,
Isn't it 21?
it's to buy a firearm, it's 21.
Yeah.
To possess a firearm, it's 18. I would always suggest if you're going to be 18 and under, go out with your parents. You know, do this with your parents. As long as your parents are okay with it, everything should be good. But as an adult, make sure you're at least 18. You know.
Yeah.
But that's all this is about. Freaking
Have you shot anybody yet?
No.
never. And I hope to never shoot anybody. That's not what this is about. This is protection, not just for me, for everybody. This is protection for everybody. Yeah, that's the nobody ever. I don't want to hurt anybody ever.
Sleepy Joe comes.
Good old Sleepy Joe. Yeah, if he keeps messing around with our rights, yeah, we'll see what happens. But Sleepy Joe is not a good guy.
Yeah.
It's funny you know Sleepy Joe. But yeah, you guys got Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Shout it out.
Ash06007.
Spell it out.
ASH00607.
There you go. Yours?
Dog 1923 NACEDOGG 1923.
All right. Yeah.
Is going on YouTube?
Oh yeah. You know it is. Dude, that's all I do, man. I got, you know, almost 55,000 subscribers, so yeah. And like I said, I'm just out here trying to do a little fishing. We'll see what happens. Right. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
You too. Cool. Later. What's going on, dude? You been getting calls or something?
Of course.
Yeah, I know, man. I figured, I was like, I thought you guys were, I saw a car in the parking lot, and I figured you just came out here just to kind of do a walkthrough, and so, yeah. No, there's no game to be played here today. We're not playing any games, right? We're good, we're good. Oh man, you're in my spot now, dude. Have you catch anything? Mackerel? This one?
Yeah.
Probably in the next couple days.
All right. What's your channel called?
The Armed Fisherman.
Okay.
Hold on, let me. I might have a card. I've been printing out cards, and I seem to run out really quick.
I bet.
Yeah.
What's your biggest fish?
Mine?
Yeah.
About 44 inches, but it was a snook.
Oh
man, I don't think I have any cards, man.
Oh, I'll just look you up.
Yeah, the Armed Fisherman. You got it, bud. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Yeah. Oh, 55,000 deep. Yeah. I'm not doing it. It's not a bad day. And this is all I do. I just go around the state of Florida, open carrying while I'm fishing, and yeah, that's it.
Just doing it for this.
Yeah. No worries, man. You know, you've seen me. I'm every time I kneel down, I'm like.
I'm making sure it wasn't muzzling.
Yeah.
The guy pushed his stroller up in with the kid and went past it. I was looking at the kid, but then he got smart enough to.
Yeah, I'm doing my best, man. Like I try to keep it as straight up and down as I can.
Appreciate it.
That's all I can really do, and the gun's on safe, like always. You know, the four firearm laws, right? Don't point a gun that you don't intend to destroy, right? And my goal is not to hurt anybody. No ill will, no intentions. Just going around. If you see my videos, I just go around the state. I do this everywhere.
Really? No, I haven't seen your videos.
Go to the look up The Armed Fisherman on YouTube, please, and pass it along. Like,
what kind of reactions do you get? I know you get.
I get good, bad, and ugly, man. I always tell people there's one video. It's about almost 750,000 deep. I always say start with that video, because that one. I've had some bad interactions, and I react badly sometimes, not all times. I try to remain calm, just the way you came out here, you didn't say anything, you just ignored me, and if that's how I like it. I'm like, all right, we just want to watch him, make sure he's not doing nothing. He's doing everything he can to be safe, and
my concern is, of course,
the people. Yeah, no, and I get it. I totally.
Like I said, I came out here, so I was pointing in the safe direction. You got your fishing pole, you're fishing. Yeah. So.
Yeah, and that's all I can say.
Well within your rights, well within the law. So.
Hey, and I love it, dude. And a lot of my subscribers are gonna look at you and say, you know something, he did the right thing. Because I've had, like I said, I've had some bad ones where I've looked down the barrel of guns. I've had ARs pointed at me when I've done this. So for you to come out here and say, you know, do the right, you know, respectfully come out here, and you didn't even have to talk to me. You just could have sat right there and just, and it's awesome. I can't say, what was your name? It's Meneg? Meneg. Dude, you're amazing, dude. Cool. You have a great day, and like I said, no ill will. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's gonna stay that way the whole time. I'll probably be out here until the sun sets. I'm from the East Coast. I just came out here to see a sunset, and unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's gonna be in my favor today. Have a great one, bud. Appreciate it. Thank you. And just like that, that's how I educate this entire pier. Like, I just educated this entire pier that what I'm doing is lawful.
Right.
You know.
So what made you start doing it?
They were doing a lot of things that were trying to strip our constitutional rights. And when they started doing that, I was like, you know something, no. I'm not gonna accept it. It's unacceptable. It's the same way with your free speech. You know, the way you could speak, whether you agree with me or not, you have that right. And when they want to take away a right, we the people have to stand up to fight for that right.
Right.
And that's what I'm here for. It's just to stand up for a right.
Okay, so you just woke up one morning like, yeah, I'm doing this.
Yeah. And the fact that I almost got robbed. I was out fishing one day and I almost got robbed while I was fishing. I was like, you know something, maybe I need to start carrying a gun just in case something stupid happens, you know?
Yeah, that's how I am now. I'm like, I got to get one.
Yeah. You know, while you don't even need a permit. All you need is a fishing license. Out here, you're covered. Your fishing license, I think, is covered. But for the most part, all you need, fishing license, a gun, and a fishing pole. And that's it.
Oh, so, you got your carrier license though, right?
Nope.
Oh, you don't?
Nope.
So you don't need it?
Don't need it. That's why I try to tell the people, I'm like, there are few exceptions in Florida that allow you to carry a gun, whether it be concealed or openly carried, while you're fishing, hunting, or camping.
Oh, okay.
While you're doing those exceptions, that's the only exception that you're allowed to carry a gun without a permit.
Okay, that makes sense.
Without the permit or any other time, you need a permit.
Oh, okay. So you don't carry like no way just
Without that concealed weapons permit, you can't carry a gun unless you're fishing, hunting, or camping on your property, in your place of business. There's a few exceptions that allow you to carry a gun, but for the general, you can't do what I'm doing normally. How y'all doing? Living that dream. Where's your fishing pole? Oh, Minnesota. Tiny soda, right? Oh, catfish? Oh, that's dinner right there. That's a dinner-sized fish right there.
Yeah. I hate it.
Oh, dude, that's nice. That's a big old catfish right there. It's probably pushing 24 inches. And that's what you call a sail cat, everybody. This is not the hard cat, this is the sail cat. And these are actually really good eating right here.
Are they?
Yes. Sail cats are good. The other ones, not so much.
Thank you so much. You're welcome, dear.
What are you fishing?
I was. My fishing pole's that way. I just got to use the bathroom real quick. I like that shirt, man. Pearl Jam, one of my favorite bands from the friggin' 90s, dude.
Blackout or 556?
Both. This is the 556, but I usually carry my 300 Blackout.
Yeah, 556 is kind of useless.
It's not useless, but it's useless at short barrels. It doesn't move quick. It doesn't move quick.
Just burn up the powder.
No, it doesn't. It's just a fire blast. Yeah. Hey man, it's nice meeting you. I do love the shirt, man. Yeah, man. She caught the monster.
She's out there waiting on me.
Uh-oh. Winner, catfish dinner.
You got it.
Huh?
What's up?
What's up? How are you?
Good, boss.
Yes, sir. I like the shades. Yeah, and you can do the same thing while you're fishing, hunting, or camping. This is actually lawful in the state of Florida.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, most people don't know about this law.
No, right?
So,
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
have a great day. This is a 556 AR-15. I don't want to scare you with it, you know, but it's actually really sexy. It's kind of like you ladies. It's really sexy. You know, you put little pieces on to make it beautiful. You know, the same thing with the makeup. You put a little makeup on and it's beautiful. Have a great day, ladies. Oh, I'm living, dude. I came all the way from the East Coast just to see a sunset. That's all I came here for, was the sunset. Florida.
Oh, we came from
I came from
in Maryland.
Oh well, that's a little bit further than I drove. Yeah, it only took me 3 hours. It probably took you a few more hours than that.
Expedited 12.
Yeah, on a good day. Long as the traffic's good.
Right.
And if you can see, everybody, I was here for a sunset, and unfortunately it's not going to cooperate, so life goes on to the next. Have a great day, folks. Oh no, everybody down there was catching fish but me.
Were they?
Yeah.
Usually, if you come like at 6:30 in the morning and so
Early.
and about 7:30 they just quit fishing down there. Early in the
Well,
morning they seem to catch a bunch of
I was thinking maybe the later, but
yeah.
no, everybody was catching fish but me.
They usually, I think, they come early in the morning.
Or later in the evening. Yeah. I guess that's not my day.
Well, you'll have a better day. So.
You know something? A bad day of fishing is still better than a good day at work. Y'all take it easy.
But not what I was saying. Because